Hello guys. Welcome back. I hope you are doing great. Last time, we discussed about properties, which are a natural extension to the fields. And now we are going to discuss indexers, which are extension to the properties. Before that, let's get introduced to a concept, collections. A collection is simply a set of objects. Anyone familiar with any programming language generally knows about arrays. An array is a collection of certain number of objects of the same type. In C#, there are arrays and many more other collection types. We will sure discuss all those collections separately. For now, a collection is a set of objects. We saw previously how a property in C# is used to access and mutate a field member. Suppose one of the field members is a collection, say an array. Now, you can define an indexer. An indexer is used to access and mutate that collection type field member. Note that an indexer can be used on the instance of that type, and not on the type itself. When you access a property, you use a syntax like object name, dot, property name. In case of an indexer, you directly access it by the object name itself. Properties are defined with certain name, but indexer is defined with the keyword, this. In simple words, an indexer provides access to an internal collection of an object, by using an array notation on that object itself. An indexer is similar to a property, except that accessor of an indexer takes a parameter. Let's see an example. We have a class, myProperty class. It contains a string array, of capacity of 10 elements, named _number array. The indexer to access this string array should be defined as public string this, and in square brackets, the arguments to access the array, which is int index. And of course, with the getAccessor, we return the element in the array, which is present at the index passed in the argument. And with setAccessor, we mutate the array element, which is present at the index defined by the argument. Note that the type of the argument is same as the type of the object which is used to access the collection. So, in this case, as an array is accessed with an integer index, number, the argument of indexer must be of type int. If you have some other collection, like a dictionary, which is accessed with string type key, then you may define an indexer, which takes a string type argument, to access the dictionary collection. And also note that, you may define multiple indexers in a type, but the arguments list has to be unique. Once you define an indexer with argument of type int, you may not again define another indexer, which has the same argument, int. Like we can do in the properties, we can perform calculations in the accessor of an indexer. It do not have to simply access and mutate the element of an internal collection, but we can also do some calculations, which are defined in the body of getter and setter. Thank you for joining in. Did you find the content useful? If you like our discussions, then please do not forget to subscribe the channel.
Also, like and share the videos, and feel free to comment.
This is really going to help our channel grow, and reach to all those who are getting started with C#, like we do. Thank you.